Hello my friends and welcome back to the Media channel. In this series, we will implement a real-time chat application using Mongodb, Express, React, Nodejs, and Graphql. Okay, let's have an overview of the application. First of all, we need to register an account. An account requires a unique email that's checked from the server. Other information such as passwords, first name and last name are also required. And the server will also handle password encryption and access token generation. Okay, let's log in and start to send the message. This is the main page of the application. We can search for user to start the conversation. Let's send a message to Bill. Hello, Bill. And now let's open another browser and log in as Bill. And we can see from here, Bill has one unread message. If I click on the conversation with Jenny, the unread message number right here will disappear. And let's send the message to Jenny. And then Jenny receives the message instantly. If we click on other conversation which has more messages, the message list section right here will scroll automatically to the latest message. And it just shows 10 latest messages. If you want to get more messages from history, we can click on the around icon right here and we can see all the messages from history. The application also allows to create a group conversation that requires more than 2 users. Let's click on create group. Let's name the group hiking group and let's add 3 more users. The current login user will be added automatically. I add Jenny B, David, and Pax. Okay, let's click on create button. And now this is the hiking group that we just created. We can click on more to see the group conversation detail, and we can add more user on the way. Even roster, and we can remove the user. And let's start to send the conversation. Because Jenny is a member of the hiking group, he can see the number of unread messages. And now let's open another browser and log in with Pax Rock. Pax has 3 unread messages from hiking group. And he starts to send a message. And all the members can receive messages from Pax. Okay, that's it. So if you are excited to build this application with me, make sure you like this video and subscribe my channel to get the latest videos. And now let's get started. Let's open the terminal and create a new folder. So we run mk directory Graphql chat and then cd Graphql chat and run npm init. Let's enter. And now we need to install the required packages for the project. Let's run npm i Graphql tools schema. We also need upload server core. Upload server express. We need decrypt to encrypt the password. We also need concurrently course GraphQL subscription. GraphQL WS for WebSocket, JSON Web Token. Mongoose, Nodejs, and WebSocket. Hit enter. And after install successfully, let's open the code editor. And now we're gonna create a new folder and server. And inside this folder, we create a new file, index.js. And let's open the package.json. We're gonna change the script for us to start the server. So let's say server Nodejs, because we using Nodejs server index.js. Okay, let's save the file and go back to the index.js. First, we're gonna bring some stuff that we just installed. It would be create server from HTTP. And then this one would be express required express. And we're gonna have upload server and GQL required upload server express. And then use server required Graphql WS, like we use WS. And the next one will be WebSocket server. Require WS, and then make executable schema. Require Graphql tool schema. And we're gonna bring Apollo server plugin train HTTP server. Require Apollo server core. And we also need pub sub for the subscription. Require Graphql subscription. And then course require course. Next we're gonna create an Express server and then add use course. Next we're gonna create an HTTP server. Create server and we put F here. And we need to define the port number for the server, and we create a pub sub, new pub sub. So I'm gonna demonstrate you how the subscription work in Graphql. We're gonna have type definition for the schema. Let's use Graphql. Let's use GQL. And we need the root query. We will have messages. So we just return string. And we have mutation. Send message. We have input string. Return string. And then we have the type for the subscription. To enable receiving messages instantly, we need to implement the third operation type of Graphql subscriptions. Like queries, subscriptions enable you to fetch data, but subscriptions are long-lasting operations that can change their result over time. They can maintain an active connection to Graphql server, most commonly via WebSocket, and enabling the server to push updates to the subscription result. And subscriptions are useful for notifying your client in real time. Subscriptions are useful for notifying your client in a real time about changes to the backend data, such as creation of a new object or update to an important field. New message. And then we will define the resolver. So first we have query get message return hi there. And then mutation, send message. and we have parent just leave underscore, and then the argument will be input. And when we run the mutation, we will publish an event, new message. And we're gonna have new message input, and then we return input. And the next one in the resolver would be subscription. We have the subscription for new message as defined in the schema. We will subscribe for the pub sub async iterator, and push the event name new message. Okay, that's pretty much for the resolver. And next we wanna create a schema. Let's make executable schema, and we put the type def and the resolver here. And next, let's create the WebSocket server. We have new WebSocket server, and in here we're gonna put the server would be HTTP server, and the path is Graphql, and then we create a server cleanup. New server, and we have the schema and the WebSocket server. Okay, now set up an upload server. We have const server, new upload server, and put the schema here, and then the plugins. Upload server plugin train HTTP server here, and then we have async server words type. Then we return async train server, and after that await server cleanup, dispose. And after that we have an async function to run our server. We have await async await server state, server offline middleware. We put the F here, and HTTP server listen. port. And then we console out query endpoint ready at http localhost port server Graphql path, and we also have another controller for the subscription. AWS. Okay, let's save the file and we're gonna open the terminal. Okay, let's run npm run server. Okay, we have run the server successfully, and now we're gonna open the Panelocate tools to test our API. Okay, let's create a new folder named Graphql chat. Then we have new document, messages, and in here we're gonna copy the schema endpoint and the subscription endpoint. I click on apply and let's save the file. So we got query get messages, and we have get message. And now I'm gonna run it, and we get message hi there. And let's clone this document, and we're gonna save it for the subscription. I name it submessage, and we put in the folder Graphql chat. And now let's bring the subscription new message, and now we have new message. And now when I click on run, so the subscription is running and is listening to the new message event. And now I'll go back to the messages document, and we gonna run the mutation create message. We have send message, and now when I click on run, so we need to have the input hello Graphql. So I will click on run, and we get a message hello Graphql, and go back to the subscription. So we also have the same result, new message hello Graphql, because the subscription listening to the new message event. So in this video, we have completed the initial setup for the chat application, and I also introduced you the subscription operation in Graphql and show how it works. In the next video, we will go to the first model, user and authentication. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.